Hello students, welcome to lab number 38 of Python for BCA third semester as per the syllabus of IKG Punjab Technical University Jalandhar. From this program onwards, we are handling with files, and in this program we have to read the entire text file. For that F1 is the file, and you have to write open, then the path of the file. Suppose we have to read this particular file, that is lab number 38. Click on properties, then location, copy this one, and paste here, then lab 38.py. Then text is equal to f1 dot read this file and print the text. Let's execute the program. Unicode error. Okay, you have to write here double backslash. Look at the output now. This one is the program. This one is basically the program, and we are printing all the program in the output window. The complete content is there. Suppose I am making some changes, or suppose I have to print another program number 37, then I can print that particular program. Look at this one. This one is program number 37. Whatever the data is there inside the file, you can print that particular content. This one. Suppose I am writing Fibbo, I can print that particular content. Suppose I am writing Fibbo, execute the program, I can print that particular data. This one is the program of Fibonacci series. Lab 38, you can print exactly the same data whichever is there inside input. This one is the output of the program. Hope you understand. This one is the simplest program of file handling. And one more thing is there, you can write here the opening mode, that is read mode. By default it's in read, but you can write read mode to open the file. You are reading that particular file. In the next video, I will discuss about read first n lines of a text file. Suppose I have to display only the first 3 lines or first 4 lines, then what to do? In the next program, I will discuss about that. Thanks for watching my video.